we rise, a new day is dawning. There is hope, and it's all around us. It's in the eyes of the men and the women. I can see it in the smiles of the children.
Belize, secret safe for the night. Belize is located in Central America, bounded on the northern part of the east by Mexico and the west by Guatemala. Population is estimated to be approximately 300,000. The country is a melting pot of many races, as mestizo, Mayas, and Yucatec. English is the official language of Belize. The capital of Belize is Belmopan, in during 1970 has been classified as the garden city of the country. Administration and local government. There are 6 administrative districts: Belize, Cayo, Corozal, Onsugon, Spring Creek, and Toledo. The economy is based in the tourism and agriculture. Tourism is the main activity of Belize, which contributes over 30% of gross domestic product. If you go to Belize tourism, what no mistake, this is the most famous paradise in Central America can The best central tourist in Belize is the Belize Barrier Reef. This is one of the largest, most diverse, and best preserved of all the Western Atlantic. It's also one of the most paradise biodiverse. The unique coastal is a ruin of the Mayan culture, was built near the bank of the Mopan River, which traverses Belize from west to east. The city may confront the Mayan agriculture. Belize is characterized by favorable natural conditions of high quality and high yield agricultural products. In 2010, agriculture contributed 14% of gross domestic product, reaching 5,031 million, and ships comprising 1,051 of food production and 3,080 billion worth of export. The financial sector is the second most undeveloped sector. The international tourism growth in recent years, within the financial intermediaries operating in this country are the best known, and as is the case of Atlantic National Bank, Provident Bank and Trust, and Scotiabank. Invest now and develop the main activity we have. The Belize sugar industry is the only manufacturer of sugar, having a company 1 million tons of the sugar mills of sugar a year. If you would like to invest in Belize, we will recommend investing in financial sector through creating a rural saving about the agriculture sector because financial intermediaries about the agriculture sectors are very scarce, accumulating on average only 4% in loans. The interest rate for producers is higher than normal. And finally, the financial sector is the second largest contributor to our gross domestic product, so it generates good profits.